Welcome to Riverbirch Restaurant. We hope you enjoy your meal with us. Our restaurant is located on Robin Hood Road, and it's actually called the Riverbirch Lodge. Come in and take a seat. We'll be around to serve you momentarily. Here's the menu. Please browse the menu as you wait, and we will be around to serve you drinks momentarily. I would like you to choose one appetizer from the appetizer selection. Appetizers are just small little bites of something to eat right before you get your main meal. So you can order one appetizer. I'd also like you to choose one entree. An entree is your main part of the meal. So pick from the selection from this part of the menu here. And then I'd also like you to pick a dessert. So you can pick any of these items here. You should have a menu at your table, so please make your selections at this time. You should have a worksheet along with your menu so you can record what you select. So I've given you an example here. So for my appetizer, I picked a wild berry brie platter. Brie is soft cheese, and I'm going to share it with friends at my table. But it's a wild berry brie platter, and it costs $11.50. So I want you to record your appetizer and the price of your appetizer here. Then pick an entree. I picked spaghetti. This actually isn't on the real menu, but I want you to pick something on the real menu. But my price of my spaghetti is $18.70. So you pick something from the entree list and record the price here. Then I want you to pick a dessert. I picked creme brulee. That's on your dessert menu too, but you can pick whatever you would like. My creme brulee is $7.25. So now I'm going to total up each of my choices and get my total meal price. I would like you to do that also. All right, now you're ready to calculate your tip and your sales tax. So I'm going to use my total meal price. So I've added up my whole price of my meal, and now I'm going to pay my tip. And I think my waiter or waitress has been pretty good to me. So you can decide how your experience was, but you should at least tip 15%. I'm going to tip 20% because I had a good waiter. So I'm going to change 20% into a decimal first, so 0.20. I'm going to write that in as my tip percent written as a decimal. Then I'm going to multiply it by my meal price. So again, my total meal price goes in this spot. So 20% of $37.45 would give me a $7.49 tip. Of course, normally I would just round that up to $7.50 or $8, but I'm just going to keep it like this. So that's exactly 20% of my meal price. So that's my tip amount. So normally we figure our tip on our pre-tax amount. In other words, before tax is added. So that's my tip amount. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to figure out my sales tax on my meal price. Again, I'm going to put my total meal price in this slot. My tax rate, well, my tax rate is a little bit different than the tax rate on your sheet. I have 7.5% tax. I think you have 6.5%. So your tax percent is a little different, and you need to write it as a decimal a little bit different. So 7.5% converted to a decimal. Take the percent sign off, move it 2 spaces to the left, and I get 0.075 or 75 thousandths. So a percent times my meal price. So what percent? 7.5% of this amount is $2.81, and that's my sales tax. So now, what do I pay at the end? Well, I have to pay for my meal. That's right here. I also add my tip in and my sales tax, so these two amounts, and I get my total bill that I'll be charged at the end. So $47.75. This is quite high price for a meal, but this is a pretty nice restaurant. So that is what I want you to do. So if you have any problems or any questions, go back to this video and rewatch, and that will walk you through what you are supposed to do. This is a graded assignment, so please do your best and ask me any questions if you have any, but please refer to the video for help first. Thank you.